In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix After Effects RAM preview not playing smoothly. If your timeline stutters, drops frames, or refuses to play in real time, the issue is often that your system memory is clogged with outdated preview frames, or that you're asking After Effects to preview at a resolution that's too heavy for your current project and hardware. We'll fix both quickly and safely. First, let's clear the in-RAM preview cache. Think of RAM preview frames as temporary snapshots After Effects stores so it can play your composition smoothly. After a lot of edits, those snapshots can become outdated or simply overwhelm your available memory. To flush them, go to the Edit menu, choose Purge, and then select All Memory. This removes only the preview frames stored in RAM. It does not delete your project, media, or disk cache, and it won't harm your work. After you purge, the green preview bar you're used to seeing above the timeline will disappear because After Effects needs to rebuild those frames. Press play again and let it recache. You'll often notice playback becomes smoother because the timeline is now previewing fresh frames that match your latest changes. If you also see an option called All Memory and Disk Cache, avoid that unless you specifically want to clear on-disk cache files too. For today's fix, all memory is enough. Next, reduce the preview resolution to lighten the load while you work. Full resolution looks great, but it requires After Effects to process every pixel of every frame, which can overwhelm both RAM and your CPU or GPU. In the Composition panel, locate the Resolution drop-down. By default, it may say Full, and change it to half, third, or quarter. Each step down reduces the number of pixels. After Effects needs to render, often cutting the workload dramatically. This change affects preview quality only, not your final export, so it's a safe way to keep your edits responsive. Use quarter for very complex comps or high-resolution footage, third for a balanced workflow, and half when you need a bit more detail while still keeping things smooth. You can always switch back to full briefly to check fine details. After applying these two adjustments, purging all memory and lowering the preview resolution, press play and watch the green bar build. Let it cache fully, then play it back. If the timeline now runs in real time, you're set. If it's still struggling, it usually means your comp is exceptionally heavy. But in most cases, these two moves restore smooth, reliable RAM previews so you can keep creating without interruptions.